Alright, y'all, what's going on? It's your boy LSJ254, man. Tune in for another one. As you can see, got the Cutlass backed up in here. Trying to do some work to it. Let's get into it. Alright, guys, welcome back to another one. Got the pretty cool G-body out here. What I've done, I took off all the coil packs, all the coil pack wires, excuse me. I know that this has been, it's been through some changes as far as fueling. You know, what it's getting it dialed in. It's been rich, it's been hot, it's been not, it's been everything in between, man. So basically what we want to do is get the what you call here, we want to get the, damn, what's the word? So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna pull the spark plugs out. Hardest one to get to is gonna be that one back there, but small thing to a giant. So yeah, we're gonna pull out the spark plugs, replace them, see how bad they are, fouled or whatever. If they fouled, which I'm pretty sure they are, and then go back with new plugs and new wires in there. Now that we pretty much got the tune kind of to a good spot where we want it to be, it shouldn't too much foul. It shouldn't be too much more adjustments that need to be done with the fueling. So I think we're at a good, comfortable spot. We're at a good, comfortable spot where we can go ahead and put some fresh spark plugs in here. This may or may not always be the case for you. I mean, she still fire off like it ain't no thing. But I'm willing to bet there's a couple of these plugs is dirty as hell. So let's get them pulled out and I'll cut you back on. Alright, so as you can see out here, it's got the new wires. I already put that number 8 spark plug, the new one, in, because them bitches is hell to get to, especially that one. If you look here, this one was all cracked up. Let's see if it's gonna focus. Yeah, it was all cracked up. Definitely probably why it was causing a problem. I think we had a couple others. It might have had a chip or crack. See, that one was cracked. So that's 1, 2 cracked plugs. Jimmy cracked corn. The fuck? This one wasn't cracked, but yeah. Clearly a manufacturer defect or something. I don't know. These are the TR55s. I think we're going back with the TR5s. 555s, pretty much the same plug, they just gap differently. So yeah, I'll take those TR55s back and get me a backup set, and then whenever these do poop, I'm not gonna pull them back out just for nothing. We're here with the TR5s now, like I said, which is pretty much the same plug, just gap differently. So we're gonna get them installed and get on our happy way. I'll touch it back on when we get ready to crank it over. We're doing all 8 spark plugs, 8 wires. Alright, y'all, reporting live from the tent. The sun was beaming. Put a blanket. Keep the damn sun out of us. Be in the shade a little bit. We have new plugs, new wires, all the way around. All the way around. If y'all remember, man, we had a problem with the box Chevy. When it wasn't running right, we had fouled out the plugs. changed out the plugs, put some new ones in there, and started running right. And that was just because it was running so rich. Now we got it dialed in and don't give us no issues. So I'm pretty sure what was happening with this. Like I said, now it's about running where it's supposed to be and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to crank it over. Hopefully I can make it do what it do. When I parked it the other day, then I tried to kind of crank it back up. It acted like it didn't want to go. So I might have to get a big screwdriver out and jump the solder right out. I don't know. We're gonna see what she decided to do for us today. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know if it's because I mean it was fine when it was on the street. Then I don't know, it was like up at an angle and shit started acting funny. So yeah. But yeah, man, if anybody need an idea for trying to keep the sun out there, I'll get you a tent or make you a tent. Have a blanket, work it up in the hood. By any means necessary. You hear me? Alright, let's see what this thing do. There's so much heat coming off in that bitch. Whew, it ain't even got no leathers. It ain't even no leather seats in this bitch. And that's how bad it is. Jesus. Like I said, she can be funny than a motherfucker sometimes. First set of plugs in that thing, she ready for more. Also ready for a new door switch. Not working. It's too hot for that bitch not to be working. It didn't take too long. It wasn't too much of a hassle. I'm just glad that bitch decided to crank. Oh, there it goes. See? Now it just cranked the fuck off. And now it don't want to crank. Yeah, crunk off fine, did nothing. So anyway, glad I moved to where I need to move at, because that's some bullshit. Anyway, if you know what that issue is, neutral safety switch, or if you have an idea what you think it is, let me know. Neutral safety switch, something in the column, all the connections are good, so I know it's gotta be a switch or something. Gotta be a switch or something. So, but we'll leave that for another day. We're packing up our tent and we're going home to the next one. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Down.